Creating a mentally healthy workplace is a shared responsibility. It involves recognizing the signs of mental distress, offering support, and promoting well being. I'm going to talk about some steps that you can take to create a supportive work environment. This is the blueprint, the foundation of what you need to create a supportive work environment. This is the basics. This is the basics that you need to create a supportive work environment. And there are 4 things that I like to talk about. It's promote, provide, foster, and educate. Promote open communication, provide resources, foster a supportive culture, and educate and train. If you want to have a supportive work environment, then these 4 things are essential to having that. Promote open communication by encouraging open discussions about mental health. This reduces stigma and makes employees feel supported. The other thing about promoting open communication is that it starts with leadership. So supervisors, managers, CEOs, presidents, executive directors, they must have buy-in and they must set the tone. So the leadership of your organization should be setting the tone, making it clear that it's okay to talk about mental health issues. Again, all the leaders need to step up and say, yes, we encourage, we are setting the tone here at this organization, at this company. You can do that by workshops, regular check-ins, mental health days. That can also foster an environment of openness. The second thing, again, leaderships. Your company's leadership should be providing resources. They need to offer access to mental health resources like counseling services or wellness programs. You want to make it easy to access health resources. Again, it could include counseling services, stress management workshops, and online resources. The key is to make these resources readily available and well communicated to all employees. So it's one thing to have it, but if nobody knows that you have that at your organization, then it's pointless. So you want to have it, and then you want to make sure that all the employees know it, that is well communicated to all employees. The third thing, you want to foster a supportive culture. Cultivate an environment where employees feel valued and respected. This includes work-life balance and recognition of achievement. You have to actively work to foster a supportive culture. So it just doesn't, and so it is, and so I say, and there it is. You have to actively be involved. You have to foster it. It includes recognizing the signs of mental distress and responding with empathy. Flexibility in work arrangements, acknowledging employees' effort, and ensuring a healthy work-life balance are all a part of this. So it's more than just saying, so it is. There are things that you need to do, leadership, management, supervisors, that you need to do in your organization to make sure that you are fostering it and that you are providing a supportive environment. Educate and train. You want to provide training for all managers and staff on mental health awareness and how to support colleagues. And this isn't just about recognizing the signs of mental health. It's also about how to approach and support colleagues effectively. You want to have regular training sessions that you can equip everyone, not just leadership, but everyone with the tools they need to contribute to a mentally healthy workplace. Again, it's not just a boom and so it is. It is, you have to educate, you have to train. It is not a one size fits all. It's an ongoing effort. And then also, You want to evaluate and adapt. You want to make sure that you are evaluating your strategies and adapting as needed. Mental health initiatives should evolve with the changing needs of your workforce. So, regular feedback and assessments can help identify areas for improvement and adapt your approach accordingly. When you think about cultivating a supportive work environment, it is not, again, a one shop fits all. But by taking these steps, you can build a workplace where everyone feels valued, supported, and equipped to manage their mental health. Remember, creating a mentally healthy workplace is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, commitment, and adaptability.